that's interesting. Hello? Could not access. Ah, Twitch changed the stream keys. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a new stream key. Streaming tools. Where's my stream key? Where's my stream key? Oh my god. Stream. Copy. Okay, YouTube is working. Settings. Output. Streaming. Stream. Okay. Start streaming. Haha, I know what I'm doing. I am up to date with the latest news. Hello, hello. Well, this supposedly will be a short stream. Because I need to play RuneScape. It is the new most important thing. However, the update is basically done, and I'm waiting on database implementations from Senior It's a Name, the database man. So it's fine. What should happen is I should immediately start working on Death Run, but I want to play RuneScape. And I'm going to play this weekend. So it's Thursday today. Like, it's the last day of work. What do you want me to do? Alright. We're going to hacking. Yes, hack this. Wait. Oh. 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 Do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this should be pretty simple. This could be like a 1 or 2 hour stream. Hopefully it's a 3 hour stream. I should probably get 3 hours of work done. I'm gonna open up Discord to see what the gamers are doing. It opens on that screen. How annoying. Nothing. Okay. None of them are on. Okay, well, that's good for me, I guess. Because then I can just stream and work. Okay. So the question is, should I clear the runs using an external call, or should I have an internal system that clears the runs? It should probably be a call because I want to do it inside simulation reset. Or actually, is it simulation? Oh, it's... Ew. Okay, well, I guess I'll do a little bit of tidying up here. So it does map info, but okay, so it calls reset from the server, so it should be fine. So, oh, that's spawn. Reset. What's the difference? Game mechanics. Reset. It does... Okay, so spawn spawns you at a spawn, and reset resets you at a reset. R spawns you? R is reset. Oh, it does reset. Okay, I'm dumb. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to make this into a simulation member function. I'm gonna make reset. I'm going to make spawn. Oh ba ba bo ba ooh. Ooh ba ba bo ba ooh. So it's gonna go like this. simulation instance reset. Boom, just like that. And then the same thing in here, except it's not the same thing in here. Let's run. Where should I put it? I'll just put it like right here. I don't care. Okay, function simulation class reset. Self.GameMechanics.reset self.physics. That's a terrible function call, but like nobody cares. This function spawn simulation class at spawn ID and is due. I don't remember what the thing is. Game mechanics. It is set velocity. I don't have anything on my clipboard as far as I'm aware. Set velocity. Oh, what? Here. Set velocity. What we do is copy this code. Spawn. Self.GameMechanics.spawn self.physics. Horrible function, but nobody cares. Set velocity. And the member function is complete. Hello, Expelled Gamer. I am having a short stream today because I must play RuneScape. Group Iron Man mode is out, and I am playing it. But I have some ideas. I sneeze. It's still there. Okay. I have some ideas for how to polish up the, yes, wipe with a tiny cloth, the physics code. Yes. Okay, so what I do here is spawn nil true with a colon, and then what I do here is reset with a, and then what I do, it's the same function. It's the same function. I can use it. No second argument. What's on my clipboard? Set velocity, no one cares. Okay, we're gonna put this function here. Local function reset. I'm just gonna like do this because I care slightly. Spawn. Okay. Whoa, that's okay. Okay, so next to do is save this file. Right, I was going to refactor some of the code. So right here, the simulation needs access to the simulation timer, but how it works in now is that the simulation owns the timers. It creates the timers, so I can, instead of having to do get timer player simulation, I can do self.timers.simulation because it's created by and for the simulation class. So that's right there. So I am going to change all references of get timer to self.timers in here. I guess I could literally just d and then just do v. There. That was hard. Okay, and then the other one, layback. And then same thing for here. V. And then I don't need the player here. World timer. I overestimated how long it would take to do this. What the hell? Get timer. V. Alright, do I still use the player? No. Oh, I missed one. Miss. Okay, so only use player internally there. Yes. Okay, well that job is done. I can actually delete get timer from the timer manager. Alright, Control F, get timer. Bah. Is there multiple of these? No, it's just this one. Alright, self.timers.simulation. Anyone saying anything in the chat? Hi. What type of game are you making? This is bhop and surf. My Roblox games. Once this update is published, which it's like ready to go, it just needs some backend features for the database for uploading. I guess uploading times does already work, but uploading bots, transactions, server sessions, all the things that exist in the game already and need to be there. Okay, so that should be all the timer references. Let's Control F, get timer. Oh, I still need it. Whoops. That's the only one. Whoops. Okay, so up here, timer manager, local get timer equals timer manager dot get timer. Whoops, I still need that. What did you say the game is called? It's called bhop, B-H-O-P, and surf is the more popular one. They use the same physics engine that I wrote, but they have different maps, and it's a different style of playing the game. Using the same physics bug that I have re-implemented into a physics engine and making a game out of it. 2 ways. It's pretty neat. Uh, 10 minutes to solve more than most problems. However, you have spent 6 months on these problems. Interesting. Math problems. By the way, it usually takes me less than 10 minutes to solve a math problem. That means I'm really smart! It's kind of cringe that I have that written in my profile. Okay, next task. Kind of cringe. I am just absolutely knocking these off here. Let's see. I've spent 12 minutes streaming, and I've already done 2 out of 3 list items. All right. So clear runs on map change. So all I need to do is in the simulation module, in the reset function right here. Excuse me. Clear the runs. So when you do game mechanics.reset, what do it do? Game mechanics.reset. What do it do? It do set velocity, set position. So this creates an event on the timeline. So I want to clear the runs from RunManager. So right here, run events. Is it runs by player? Is it stored in the run events? It's replicated using timer events. Let's go to RunManager. Ooh, okay. So I have a flag all runs thing there. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so I inspect the timeline and have a callback for run event events that does whatever it does by calling its run event function, which are all up here. So what I should probably do is have a clear all runs run event. So this is flag all runs. It's kind of, what am I using this anywhere? Did I delete it? Misc commands. It's a little bit cringe. Is Roblox your main source of income, like most people? Yes, it is. Look, like I know a hell bunch of stuff. I'm like knowing what I'm doing here, and like I've already figured out what I'm gonna do with my code for today, and I am kind of doing it very fast. It is element or item number 2 on general to-do list. GC for runs. Runs, when the map changes, they just kind of stay there, which it shouldn't. Alright, I think I'm going to delete this function because it doesn't matter anymore. Oh, except it kind of does. Okay. Why is this in here? Spawn at. Probably because I had command and RunManager, or command, I guess. Yeah, this should be in simulation control. Yeah. That's for simulation control, buddy. Oh, this is server side. Oh. Oh. Should I just have like a new type of run event that's like affects all running runs? Clear only. Hold on. A new type of run event that affects all running runs. That's kind of nice. Let's go to the run events. So if I have an all run event or something, so it would call the function on, well, okay, so flag and clear is basically what I need it for. Do I have a thing here? Run clear. Yeah, so I need to call run clear without calling run prepare. How do I do that? Should I just have another argument or something? Ugh. Ugh. I need to not call this function here somehow. How do I say, hey, don't call this function. Mode state. State. What is? Oh, state is the physics state, right? I was thinking. Oh, I can. Oh, I'm gonna write that down. Don't require writing physics state in run prepare. Ha 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 ha. Dom's frowny face. Poor Trey. I love Roblox coding. What are you making? I'm making little polishes on my shiny new bhop update for bhop and surf. It's a massive update that refactors all of the game code that is like important game code. I've rewritten 10,000 lines of code and it's ready. It's done. But I need the database implementation to exist so that I can upload bots, upload times that's done, and other things for persistent storage for the dedicated database server. Okay, state. So this is used in verification. I have the state here, state.camera state. So I'm using that because loading the camera sensitivity wasn't working, and the set state of the camera includes lots of stuff. FOV. Sensitive. So basically, oh, right, it needs to have those. Ooh, that's... So I need to interpolate. Oh, it's kind of not fun. Oh, it's kind of not fun. Oh, I'm gonna ignore that. Okay. RunManager. Run events. Honestly, like, the run prepare event should really be its own event, but nobody cares, so it's whatever. Maybe I should have like a function called RunClear and prepare or something. Run reset or something. I don't know, cause like it should be its own function. And I could put the state in that. Yeah, let's see. So if I do this, and I delete this, and now I can do. Cool. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so I can do local function run clear and prepare, and then have its little arguments, argies, state. And then I can have a run clear only call. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so now I put this here, and then I put this here. State. Run prepare. Prepare. I feel prepared already. so easy. Coding is so easy. Okay, clear, prepare, clear and prepare, clear and prepare. And then I switch all events called RunClear, which is only right here, to clear and prepare. Clear and prepare. I mean, prepare should really be clear and prepare. Maybe I'll just do that, run prepare. Because like that's really what I want. Okay. Maybe. Maybe. It's over here, right? That's the one? No. Goodbye. Okay, so in here, instead of having clear and prepare, I'll just have prepare call clear. So prepare is at the top because it was called by clear, but now I'm gonna make clear called by prepare, like this. So now it's like run prepare. Oh, by the way, run clear. Arguments. Huge. Okay, so same thing, but completely different. And now I can call run clear alone when I want to. Whoa. You're quiet now. Let's see this. I hate everything about Roblox, Bharp, and Surf because Roblox. Have you tried the new physics? It's completely different. It's I wrote a new physics engine from scratch. Is there a reason why the engine feels similar to CSGO but not CSS? No, there's not. I basically had my own vision for how I want Bharp. Oh, I tried to reach for my coffee. Coffee's in the other hand. I had my own vision for Bharp, and I aimed for that rather than copying. Where can I play the game? Is it public? Yes, the StrafesNet dev place. Also, you can use the DeathRun map test place and load any maps that are in that user's inventory. That also works. That's the map making place. I know it's not Gmod or TF2. Actually, in 2014, I was bhopping on Gary's mod. That's where I was learning to bhop, loving to bhop, and I was like, you know what? I like this game so much, I'm gonna make it. Like I did before with paintball. I was playing someone's paintball game, and I was like, I like this game. I'm gonna make it. Based on the mechanic. Yeah. Very different. How is it different? Did you make pre-strafing? I looked into it when I was rewriting this, but I couldn't get the physics walking code to be dumb enough to allow pre-strafing. I was trying to like back put it in, but it's like it's so dumb. My walk code is much more advanced. It's targets a specific acceleration and then uses your available acceleration to reach that acceleration target, whereas the source code does something and then magic happens when you strafe on the ground as well, which doesn't work with my code. It's not vulnerable to that same bug that happens. Okay, so I was going to think of a way to have all runs run event. Should it be a separate event? I could submit it as an event on the timeline. All run clear. All run clear. All run event. Maybe I'll just have it as a new event and I'll do all run event or something. Alright. All run event. All run event. And then timer, timestamp, and the name. Okay. So replication index. And then now I do, it's got the mode. Okay, so it runs on all existing runs. So the mode it gets got by looking at the existing runs. So it can only be in existing runs. So I grab the runs, player runs like this, and then I do a loop through the runs by modes. Okay. Grab the runs and then loop by mode. For mode, run data in next. Player runs do. Okay. So instead of having these extra args in all run event, it just calls it for all runs, which is mode. Bam. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Making the walking speed increase as soon as you use a double button combo? Absolutely not. You can do pre-strafe with can't you pre-strafe with one key? Actually, I don't know if you can pre-strafe with one key. I assumed it was the same as air strafing, where you can use any key combo and have your control direction any which way and just like do sideways and stuff. Like pre-strafe half sideways, I thought would be like you only use the W key or something. If that makes sense. Okay, so this should be a function that calls the run manipulation function for every run that exists for a player, such as clearing the runs. Yeah. Okay, so let's try that. So now instead of flag all runs, I would go like, wait, get runs, I guess. Okay, so simulation of flag runs. Function. Why don't I make a local function all run event? Player timestamp and name, and then that is just this. And then instead of this, I do, oh my god, okay, I do all run event player I don't grab any timers for this, right? Oh no, I do have get timer. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Get the player's timer, and then just use the current time, I suppose. Yeah, it's not a fantastic idea. Thick mattress, yeah. How did you manage to make the replay and spectate system so native in its movement? By designing it completely from scratch. It's built just for bhop. It's in the old code it's just kind of like interpolating stuff with. In the new code it does that as well, but like with the new code, all playback uses the same systems. It's really modular code. So playing back a bot, spectating a player, it all uses the same. I guess that's the only two cases, but like it was like slightly different, or it is slightly different in the main game right now. But with this new code, all of the stuff is like centralized modular systems. Nice. All right, so now I call all run event. All run event. All right. Do you have the next function localized? I do not. LMNOPQRST. Now I was gonna do that down here. I was gonna do playback timer, and then playback whatever time, and then I'll just call it T playback because like, and then name is run flag, and then that should do it. I can actually put this in line. I don't need a variable name. Okay, flag all runs. So now I can also clear all the runs. So this is actually server side only. Touch anti-cheat. Okay. Now I need to make the clear, which should be very basic. Okay, so in the simulation code on this line here, before I reset, I make a playback event using the same syntax as up here. Submit output, playback event, just like this. Grab it. And then put it in, and then we call it all run event. All run event. And then physics. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Oh my god! I care. I care. I care. Physics equals self dot physics. Physics, and then we can remove this. And then all run event is submit. Wait. Okay, this is actually. Where does it go through? Submit run event. Okay, it's right here. So I need playback time. It's just playback time. Time. Do I have the time? I create the time, right? That's it, right? That is all time already. Playback time. I don't know what that comment means, but this is what makes you hit the start zone, hit the end zone, and the anti-cheat zone. Ugh. So basically I'm copying this function time. I don't have time when I'm resetting, so I'm going to use the physics state clear. I can just clear, right? Because prepare is called later. Clear and prepare. It should work, right? I mean, we'll see, I guess. Ooh, okay, I gotta do this. Wait, reset world. What is that? Oh, that's. Oh no. Do I want to do that before or after? Reset world is right there. Run start. Okay. So I want to call this function. I don't know. I'll just do. I'll just do this, right? This is called RunClear. All run event. Okay, did I already reset? Oh no, it doesn't reset the right. Okay, that's okay. Okay, we're gonna do this. Self reset. Right here. Self reset. Right here. Style in it. I don't know what that comment is. Style in it. Where's the style in it? I actually don't know. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to see if this works. Okay. That is some code changes. I actually reached 40 minutes. Rubber duck debugging. How is the replay and spectate data stored? Sending C frames over the server for the camera. That would work. But I store the camera angles instead. I use an internal representation of the camera. This is all the new code. The old code is basically a 3,000 line block of code. So I have a camera module, and the camera has angles, and it's a vector 3. So there's the pitch, the roll, or the yaw, and then the roll. I could do it with my head. The pitch, the yaw, and then the roll. And it only uses the pitch and the yaw. And when you move your mouse, by a delta amount, it modifies the X and Y values of the camera angles, X and Y, using the Y and X coordinates of your mouse position. Your mouse Y affects the X pitch, and your mouse X affects the Y, the yaw. Crisscross. And I also have a stupidly named blunder, which is like a camera punch from Gary's Mod, where it goes like, oh, I guess it's the source punch, but okay, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go to the test place. I'm gonna publish this code. Publish documents, game, make dev. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the dev place. Open it up. Oh, I actually don't have a scene for Linux. All right, let's do add. Why is that not working? What's the thing? NVFP seek source. Game. Hello? Why can't I? It's like trillion times changing the focus. That's really annoying. Okay, can I stop? Roblox. Oh my god. Crikey. What the? It's just stealing focus. I can't I can't alt tab. It just grabs focus. Good grief. Oh my god. I literally cannot switch apps. Roblox just steals focus. Okay, leave. Jesus. Wow. That's Whoops. OBS crashed. All right. I think I will add window capture. Game. Actually, I get spacer. I can just use cancel. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna use spacer. Okay. Okay, let's try again. How's the spectate data stored? It's stored with position, velocity, camera angles, time. So every frame has those information data points on it. Why is it not full screen? What the hell? And then, excuse me, I interpolate. Okay, so I have the Roblox running. It seems to be working. Oh, except for that there is an error. Let me... Alright, I'm allowed to use a different... Oh, no, never mind. I am not allowed to use a different... Roblox is stealing focus. How do I make it stop stealing focus? What does it say? Error. Oh, I can't see because it's stealing focus. Attempt to index no simulation. It just steals focus. If I try to click here, it's like, nope, you're not focused. God damn, dude. Okay, well that just it cannot be used. Can I full screen this? Oh, is that gonna work? Can I switch focus? No. Okay. All right. What does it say? I can't show you because I can't switch focus to use GUIs to add a source to OBS to let you see. I could switch to using my Windows virtual machine though. Okay, simulation line 49. That's not simulation. Timers, nil with simulation. Timers is nil. So it's trying to submit game controls, and it's failing because the timers don't exist. That's kind of expected, but errors are bad. So, is there another one? Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna exit then. Crikey, mate. Leave. Roblox. All right. Maybe you'll be able to see it. All right. Where's the spacer? Position. C. Spacer. Properties. Position. Why is it right there? What? Okay. How do I edit the position? Oh, discard. Oh. Transform. Edit transform. We are going to put it at 1280. Really? That's okay. 1280 by 0 and see what happens. 0. Okay, let's see if that works next time Roblox opens up. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so timers. I just misspelled all that. Equals self.timers. Timers, and then we do if timers, then simulation timer should always exist here, so it shouldn't be a problem. Let's see how that goes. That was an error in the code. Do you know how to make magic, the magic, animation, and the coding? What? Would the same similar approach work for a third-person default Roblox spectating system. Default Roblox, very easy to make a spectate. You do camera.target equals character, and then you're done. You're spectating. My game is very custom, very implemented. I have a timeline that's replicated, and then you play back the timeline. So on your client, you're creating timeline events. You're like, okay, frame at this time, frame at this time, frame at this time. I jumped. I made a sound. I looked left with my camera. I moved my mouse. And it's like, it's sending it all to the server in order. And then all the clients receive that information and assemble it on their own version of that player's timeline, which should be the same. It's replicated. And then they shift it so that it's played back with a slight delay to allow time for the events to reach them from that client. And then it plays back in order the timeline events so that you see exactly the same thing as the player did on their own screen. And it looks exactly correct is the idea behind it. All right, let's try Roblox again, even though Roblox sucks on Linux. Here we go. Am I going to be able to see it? No. Wait, did it not save? Well, that sucks. Wait. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. Wait. You can't see it. I don't know why. It shows up on the little preview thing, but then it doesn't work. Alright, well this is kind of trash, but that's okay. Okay, let's look at the console. It says Penta next node with playback, simulation 256. That sounds like a timer bug. Okay, it's right here. Timers.playback, simulation class reset. How did it work before? Okay, so it's trying to reset you. Oh, playback. Okay, so that wasn't a thing before. So it all run event. Okay. And then simulation 113, I think that's a standard error. Just a standard error, you know. Simulation 113. Ooh, set camera property. Okay, so we can actually fix both those errors. Let's do that. I have to leave because Roblox on Linux. Okay. Local timers equals self dot timers. Boom. If timers, then timers dot simulation dot line 200. What? I almost swore. All right. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Excuse me. Grab. Local timers. I almost lost it. If timers, then. Yeah. Wait. Add event? Wait a minute. Physics time. Okay, and then the next tick is that. Basically, it would make 2 RunClear events, right? I mean, that should be fine. Whatever. Okay, we're just gonna ignore all those facts. Did you use the camera subject property? No. I directly set the camera C-frame in this view module. So if you're spectating right here, so this is like set which player you're viewing. So this is the RunManager bind. So this is like render stepped. If it's not viewing yourself, which is just regular gameplay, then it grabs the get C frame of the view. This is like a deep function that interpolates and gets at everything, and then it does camera first person from C frame, and that's how it sets the C frame directly every frame. That's how it looks so smooth. So this get C frame function is grabbing frames from the timeline as they play back. So this is the frame before the current time and the frame after the current time, and then it uses the time info, it uses the angle info, frame 0, frame 1, before and after, and it generates a C frame kind of lazily. That's pretty lazy. And then adds on the translational element, which is the position, interpolated using velocity data and time data. Yeah, it's complicated. And then this is like, what? Get output after. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's all stuff, you know. What did I just do? I published something, right? I was gonna test it. Should I switch to the Windows VM? Probably. I'm gonna switch to the Windows VM. I am going to mute my screen. We're gonna look like this because, oh. Sure. Okay, whatever. Switch inputs, it's gonna go garbledy. Oh, it just worked. Oh, that's cool. I love it when it just works. Okay, start the virtual machine. Because it's easier to capture than Roblox on Linux. Why wormhole's broken? Is it? It was working last time I checked. Literally hacking. Alright. Oh! Why did it do that? Right. Okay, so now... Boom. Now you can see Windows. Okay. We're gonna boot the game. On Windows. Oh yeah, Windows at its finest. That's the wrong game. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can override it. Launching the wrong game. Are wormholes broken on Death Run map test? You were talking about using the camera subject property for third-person spectate. Yeah, that would work great. If you don't have your own custom replication system, then you're fine, and you can just use camera subject, and you're done. Okay, I did stuff. Okay, this says attempt to index nil with reset. 264. What is it saying? 264. It says game mechanics is nil. That would prevent resetting. That indeed would do that. So let's just, I'm just gonna like make it not error. Game mechanics equals self.game mechanics. If game mechanics, then game mechanics dot reset. There we go. Okay. There's fewer errors. What about on the server? Okay. This is prepare. I think that's fine, right? I mean, it's all working, so. The CSS guy, M-tapped. Are you still here? You should join this this new physics version. It's completely rewritten. The strafing is kind of exactly the same. The difference between source strafing and my strafing is that mine is basically the error acceleration is mathematically limited to infinity, So you can turn around infinitely fast. You have unlimited air acceleration, but the so what that does is it reduces the code down to like 5 lines of code. Basically one line of math does all of surf physics and strafe physics. And it's like that because I didn't look at the source code. I invented my own strafing math based on how it behaved. Oh, no! I wanted to go into the wormhole. Wormhole? It works fine. It just works. Yeah, wormhole just works. What do you mean wormhole broken? Alright, I'm gonna look at if I removed that error. Because, like, error bad. Bad, don't error. Have I streamed for an hour? Yeah, I streamed for an hour. Alright, no errors. Woo! Okay, errors are gone. Remember how there's always an error? There's no longer an error. There's warnings, but no errors. Except for help. World records is broken. Well, I don't know why it's saying that. Spec me? Spec. What you got? What's wrong? Oh, are you the guy who said it's broken? Glitch geometry? Ah, Euler angles. Makes sense. Supposed to? What do you mean? Okay, so I should make a. It has different behavior depending on how your camera angles are messed up. I might change the weight to 3. It would probably be a little bit better. So, when you are looking like this, it uses the closest Euler angles because otherwise it would have to completely flip your camera upside down and you'd be looking over there, but you're kind of like looking down, right? So it's like, what's the vote right now? Adding fast or sustain in the new physics? The vote? Oh, I could like do that. Dude, I could just do that. I could literally just release it with that game mode. That would be really easy. Really, 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 really easy. Sustain? Really, you want sustain? That was kind of a... I was kind of trying to, like, be creative again. Really? You like that? I thought it was kind of boring. Chat pause, do the... What do you mean chat pause, do the scroll? I want to see the chat. Can you explain more about Death Run? Let's go to the Death Run map that this guy made, I guess. What do you mean? Have you not played Death Run? Just play Death Run. Go to Garry's Mod, play Death Run, and then you'll be like, oh, that's Death Run. It's you try to reach the end of the obstacle course, and the deaths try to prevent you from doing that by activating traps. It's human activated traps. Sustain is somewhat popular, but also not. Sure. Let's look at all those errors. Errors Do you see any errors? I'm looking for errors. I don't see any errors. What's going on? Is this B-hop? Okay, so there's an error. So it's... yes. Okay, so when I change the map, it will probably break, but that's okay because I just edited the code. So let's take it. Let's see what happens. Map, bots delete, everything good, and then error. Okay, no error. Okay, so what if I try to leak my runs? What if I go like, I'm doing the bonus, look at this, and then I don't finish the bonus, and I'm like, I don't feel like finishing the bonus. Wait, how would I do that? Can I just go back through the teleport? Does that work? Okay, I gotta not finish the bonus. Okay, going back through the teleport. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and now I have 2 runs, and it's like, what's going on with the timer? What's he doing with this timer? And then I change the map. I go like, oh, map is now arcane. But I have 2 runs. Are they gonna leak? Are the runs gonna leak? Will we ever know? Nope. Runs got cleared. That's what I wanted to do today. I'm done. I can go play RuneScape. Polish. We polish this update. Every day. Okay, not every day, but like Monday to Thursday. Polish the update. Yeah, I probably should like make a pre-strafe style modifier. I want to make a custom style system where like you can add crouch to your custom style, you can add pre-strafe to your custom style, you can say, oh, by the way, my gravity is -400, and just do fun, wacky stuff, create your own custom styles, and then I also want to have, this is like stuff that's not going to happen, by the way. I also want to have, except it might happen, if I keep working every day, eventually I'll be done enough stuff that I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna work on custom styles. I'm gonna work on... Okay, the other thing I was gonna say was, okay, I'll just fail that. Community made, that's kind of a stupid word. What am I trying to say? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna make that. Challenges. Community challenges. Oops. So, basically, you go into any map you want, and then you set up a start zone and an end zone, and then you create a custom style or normal style, whatever, and then you complete your own challenge, and then you submit it as a community challenge, and then there will be a challenge browser where you can see all of these challenges that people have made and try them out, and then you can vote on which one is the coolest, and then at the end of every week, the challenge with the most votes will become the weekly challenge, and it'll be like spotlighted, and you can like do the weekly challenge in whatever style the challenge creator made, using the start and end zone of that challenge. Like that's not like it's reliant on multiple tools that don't exist yet, but like assuming I keep working, I can just like make these things eventually. Custom styles, custom challenges, like it'd be cool, right? I'm not sure if like that would be the best thing to work on for like community engagement. First thing I'm going to work on is making a great game. So I've kind of already done that. I rewrote all the game code. I wonder if I can get a ladder boost off here. Let's see. Oh my god, I suck. Alright. Oh, no. Oh, I have to have upwards. Oh, I can't do it. I'm not good enough. Oh, that sucked. Oh! I love the drop and like bone crack sound. I'm so glad I added that. That's such a like fun thing to have. Oh, I guess I also need to make it so you can disable it. I also need to make it use timeline events to replicate. Work. It's all polish. Except it affects the bot. Does it? I guess I could like rescan the bots and like generate the events based on like velocity changes, but like who cares? So wow, I made the update, excuse me, better. Wow, it's better. Wow. Spec for weirdness? I'm running the map though. I'm having fun. Alright. I'll save this. Spec Euler. What are you doing? What do you mean weirdness? 69k channel points. Wait, I missed it. What did you do? Is there an error? Does that just happen every time? Okay, it must be because the spawn isn't resetting. What's going on? ID spawn. Checkpoint doesn't reset on start. Thank you for finding this. Oh, I was... why would that happen? Do you have any errors in your console? Probably not. It's kind of like, it just kind of doesn't error. But yeah, that's the code that I changed, so it makes sense that there's a issue now. There is a issue now. Bug find, bug buster tag, XD. Oops. Wow. Errorless console. It just silently fails. Absolutely the best. Love it when I make things that silently fail. That's kind of what I did to the code though, is I just made it silently fail. Whoa, I'm so fast. Aw, man. Okay. Ooh, I actually just missed. Wow, this is so smooth. Oh, I'm using a different part of my mouse pad. That's probably why it's like working. My mouse pad is like dirty with mouse feet. Scrape off. Scrape off. You're a freaking scrape off, dude. Okay, It like glitches my mouse. Oh, you don't actually gain speed from that? What the hell? Oh my god! Oh, come on. I gotta think about why that happens. It doesn't reset the spawn on reset. Okay, so what's the arguments? Let's take a look at the arguments. Okay, dot reset, reset, dot reset. Okay, so game mechanics. Game mechanics? So it doesn't actually do that. What is pre-strafe? Pre-strafe. You could probably look up pre-strafe guide and stuff. It's probably stuff on YouTube. Okay, so it relies on right. Okay, let's Control F, run clear. There's a hook in simulation for RunClear up here. RunClear. Why didn't it find it? Okay. Setting the spawn ID to 1. But now I'm using run. Oops. F. I'm using run prepare now. RunClear isn't on the timeline. So it like intercepts the event and then okay, I'm just gonna call this run prepare. Yeah. Okay, that was the bug. Found the bug. That should fix it. It's because I had a weird pre-hook. Weird hard-coded pre-hook for... Oh my god, I just spat everywhere. Sorry for anyone who is running. Okay, let's load MeHop EZV2. Hopefully there's no bugs. There's no bugs. So now it should like work, you know? Like, oh well, restart. And then I hit here and it's like, yeah, okay. Cool! I did work today. The game is better because I worked. The game is better. I worked today. The game has improved with the polish that I worked on. Yes, 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 yes. Very excellent. This was like speedrun work. Why did it hit the wall? Don't hit the wall. That's not smart. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Am I going to beat my time? I'm not going to beat my time. How do I know that? Because I know. See? You see? Just beat your time, you see? I beat the map. Wow, it's so polished. It works so well. Oh my gosh. Why is there no bots? I need to upload bots. Great, Great. Great. Okay, I'm gonna check the stuff off my checklist because that always feels amazing. Edit. Clean bots, check mark. Yes. Clear runs on map change, check mark. Check. Why doesn't it? What? Oh, am I holding like Alt or something? Check. Yeah, okay. Check. Also R. Check. Why? Why? Check. Bro, don't suck. What the heck? Don't require writing physics state and run prepared. Was there a weird sound in my headphones there? Oh, checking all my checklist items. Oh, I can actually remove it from the to-do list as well. GC for runs. It's done. I did it. GC for runs. That's not a thing that I need to do anymore because I did it. Check off the to-do list. There is no pre-strafe in-game currently. That is correct. I looked into it to try to see if I could work it into my walking physics, but the walking physics are too smart. They target an acceleration rather than just like changing your current state. They know what state you're trying to reach, and it messes with the stuff enough that it stuff. Okay, I need a thing, I guess. Very nice, very nice. So now when you do R, it should also clear your runs. I actually haven't tested that. So if I go like, oh my god, I have too many runs, I don't want to run twice, and I go like R, it clears it. Amazing. And it's all like timelined properly. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Pat on the back. Amazing work today. I can now go. Let's see. Is anyone chatting in Group Iron? No. Anyone online? No. What are they all doing? Are they all just like sleeping? Sleeping? You gotta like wake up, have coffee, and then work. Oh my gosh, I did such good work. The polish has improved. It didn't take long. This is like a 2-hour stream or something so far. All you gotta do is work every day, and then you'll achieve all your dreams. So like 5 years ago, sitting in my mom's basement, I wanted to work, but I just couldn't. I like ADHD. I was just like, YouTube video, and then didn't work. Did I just miss that spawn? RuneScape. And then I just didn't work because I didn't know how to work. So I have now found out how to work. I have found a way to make myself work where I always work. And that is wake up, get coffee, start live streaming. And if I do those things, then I am able to work. And I always get something done. Even if it's small, it's something. It's so much more than nothing. Yes. Yes. No one can beat my time. Okay, maybe I should make the bonus auto hop bot show that it's a bonus auto hop bot. Yes. Well, I'm kind of done. I did all the work that I set out to do today. Complete. Bugs squashed. Oh, I wonder if it works on the server-side simulations. Probably, because they are like supposed to work. Okay, let's do commits. I'm gonna commit all the changes. Okay, okay. Well, I actually wrote a lot of code. Okay. Write simulation class member functions for spawn and reset, and then use them here. Boom. Boom. It's kind of also using the run event changes. I also did create all run events which affect all existing runs. Timer events. I'm going to capitalize that because I do that. Okay, so now I can commit all these different changes. Stage, call chain. Yes, yes, yes. This is different. This is part of it. Stage that. Different. Flag all runs. Oh, did I? I want to discard that change because, like, you should be allowed to do that, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna discard that change. All of this should be part of the comment. All run event. All run event. All run event. All run event. All right, we move this code around, change the call chain, add the next local variable, and that should be it. The rest of these code changes are merely timer ownership reference conceptual changes. Okay, use simulation class internal reference for timers. Okay, and that is here. I can probably scroll the top. Here, and here. Sign here. All right, there we go. That's what I did today. That's the summary. Make hit work. Not today. Maybe at some time. But I'm finished. Work today. Quick work. Did exactly what I set out to do in record time. How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours, I think. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Record time. Short stream. World record for scroll. Does scroll not work or something? Check world record for scroll. Let's see. Spec. There is no world record for scroll. Oh. Wait. Oh, I just stopped spectating. Check again. You mean checking in? On my screen there is. Well, that is a bug. Let's take a look at the server console. What do you mean? Oh, check WRS, what you meant? Well, it doesn't upload right now. The code doesn't upload to the database because of this change right here. Allow map adding. So were you saying that you like ran the map in scroll? Scroll, cool. Yeah, it doesn't save right now because the code is written to not save right now. Jump is broken for scroll. You're lying. Explain. It plays. Oh, does it? Let's see it. No, it doesn't. You're lying. It plays one jump sound. You're lying. Impossible. My code could not break. It is not a possibility. I refuse to believe. I only hear one jump sound. I don't know what madness you are talking about. I'm gonna stop streaming. This can be scroll super. Let's try that. It is not an option. Scroll time scale 0.5. Works fine. There should be like literally no difference. And there isn't a difference for me. Imagine playing on 50 tick. Okay. XD. Okay, well, it doesn't happen for me. Cannot reproduce. If you can make the bug reproducible for me, then I can fix it. That's kind of how it is. But I'm gonna end the stream. I'm going to play the living heck out of RuneScape, group Iron Man mode, and I'll be back on Monday with more polish for the game. Hopefully, Mr. It's a Name Database Man will have added a way to upload bots, and then I can work on that, and we can get that much more closer to publishing this update. Microphone broke. It did not. Goodbye.